By the end of this video, you will know how to create a Matter budget alert in Clio Manage. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account, then open the matter you want to monitor. This should be the specific matter where you want Clio Manage to track budget usage and send a notification once it reaches a set threshold. If you are working across several matters, make sure you are inside the correct one before you continue, since the alert settings apply only to the matter currently open. Once the matter is on screen, click Edit Matter. This opens the matter details so you can update billing-related settings. You may need to scroll within the page depending on how much information is already attached to the matter. In the Matter Editor, move down to the Billing Preference section. Here, look for the option labeled Set a Budget for this matter and make sure it is enabled. If it is turned off, the budget amount and alert settings will not be available. Turning this on tells Clio Manage that this matter should be tracked against a defined budget. After that, enter the budget amount for the matter. Use the amount that matches the billing limit or internal budget you want this file to follow. This amount becomes the reference point for the alert, so it is worth checking that the number is correct before moving on. Next, enable the setting called Notify Firm Users when Matter Budget reaches threshold. This is the option that activates the alert itself. Without this enabled, the matter can still have a budget, but no one will be notified when usage reaches the percentage you set. Once the notification setting is on, enter the budget usage threshold. This is the percentage of the total budget that will trigger the alert, such as 80% or 90%. Choose the threshold that fits how early your firm wants to be notified. A lower percentage gives more notice, while a higher percentage sends the alert closer to the budget limit. After entering the threshold, select the firm users who should receive the notification. Choose the people who need visibility when the matter approaches its budget, such as those responsible for oversight or billing review. Make sure the correct users are selected before saving, since they are the ones Clio Manage will notify when the threshold is reached. When all of the budget and notification settings are in place, click Save Matter. This applies the changes to the matter and stores the budget alert settings you just configured. If the page refreshes or closes the editor, that indicates the update has been applied. Your Matter budget alert is now created in Clio Manage.